Okay guys, today we're going to be making eraser stamps. So what you'll be needing for this is a pencil, an X-Acto knife, and some erasers. These are actually from the dollar store. These are from Dollarama, but you can also get them at Dollar Tree. They have like bigger ones. And then you'll also just be needing a little bit of paper to do your transfer with. So I will show you guys. Today I'm going to do an eye. So I'll show you guys how to do an eye. So I'm just going to take my erasers. I'm going to open it up. So I'm just going to open up one of the erasers. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm only going to be using half of this, so I just drew a line, kind of eyeballed it. You can use a ruler if you want. And then we're just going to kind of score it. So just kind of press a little bit with your X-Acto knife on the sides. And then just kind of press down. It's actually pretty easy to cut in half. So I just cut it in half. And we're going to be using, that wasn't a very good half, but we're going to be using this to make our eyes. So I'm just going to take one half of the eraser, and what you want to do is just take your piece of paper and you're just going to want to trace this on here. So you're just going to trace it on there, and then you're going to draw your design in the middle, and then you're going to transfer it onto here. So I'll draw my design and I'll come back and show you guys how to transfer it onto your ear. Okay guys, so what I did was so I drew my picture, and then what you can do is, if you want to just cut it out, you can use scissors. That would probably be more preferable. I'm just using a X-Acto knife because that's what I have right now in this spot. And I'd recommend using a cutting board if you have one to do this, if you're going to cut everything. So you're going to have your drawing, and what I have done is I just darkened the areas that I'm going to be carving. So I'm just going to be carving dark on the dark lines. I'm not going to carve where it's white because I want that part to be raised. So that's why I'm doing the dark lines. And then I will have that part to color in for the stamps. So I'm just going to take it and put it onto our stamp. And then what you can do is just take your pencil and just color onto the eraser. And that's how you will transfer, that's how you're going to transfer the pencil onto your eraser. But you're going to have to do your drawings backwards because they're going to end up being reflected the other way when you do it. So as you can see, this one got transferred on. See, it was originally this way, and now it is the opposite way. So if you wanted to do this one, a same replica, you just hold this up to a window, and then, or you could just trace this, and then just turn it over and trace the back, and then put that on your thing. And if you don't get all the detail that you want, you can just take your pencil and kind of draw in the parts that you want on your eraser stamp. So now, you're going to want a cutting board, or not a cutting board, but a cutting mat to do this on. So I'm just going to get a cutting mat and then I'll be okay. So I have my cutting mat here, and we are just going to, you want to start by just cutting up around the parts that you're not going to be using. So I'll just white on the very outside. We'll just cut that part off. And then if you have like parts here that you want that are like the lashes, just kind of cut those. Cut those how you want those, so just so I'm just cutting around the eyelash area. And then this eraser is actually quite easy to cut from what I can find here. So there's the lashes. Sorry, maybe you can't see that. I tried to zoom in as much as I could, and that seems to be about it. So, but yeah, I just cut the parts that you want it, cut around the parts you want to be erased. Don't cut them off. So what you can do is, like, you see these bottoms, just kind of cut them kind of slanted. Oops. And you can use your knife to kind of like carve it a little bit, kind of round it out, make it how you want it. And then I'm gonna go around the rest of it. So if you're going in these inner parts, just kind of, I would just go in, kind of poke them a little bit. And then you just kind of want to cut it from both sides, and then so you can go around the this part of the eye or whatever you made, and then you kind of want to just try to lift it with your X-Acto knife. So you want to just carve it out, and then if you want, I'm going to go around this whole part here. And just have like some of these main parts out so that it will, when it stamps, it will be it'll look how I want it to. And then I will come back when I am finished. So I just went around the main parts. So the inner part, I just went around that, and I went around this and kind of left an outline where I want maybe black to go. And then here where this would be all white, I'm just gonna leave kind of an outline and carve the rest of it out. So if you really wanted to, you could color in with dark marker or something, and or not dark marker, dark pencil. And yeah, so I'm just gonna carve so I just carved a little bit, and you want to leave a little bit of an outline. Okay, so I have carved the stamp, and I'm going to grab some markers to color it in with, and then I'll show you guys what the end result looks like. So I have the stamp here, and I'm going to just color it in with a marker. And then we are going to stamp it on the paper and see how it turns out. So that is the eye stamp. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod to show you guys. That is what my eye stamp ended up looking like. And if you guys want another video where I make this in another spot or area where I can zoom in better so you guys can kind of see it better, let me know. I could do another eye or nose or whatever you want to see, because I'm going to try to make a whole face. So I'm going to do another eye and then nose and all the stuff like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed watching, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye!